Yeah. Hi, ma'am. Good
Hi,
morning.
how are you? Good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also good. Thanks for asking. How's your morning coming along?
Yeah, it's very nice because I
Uh-huh.
yeah decided to take a class. No, take a class today.
Right. So you're feeling
So
fresh and excited.
yeah.
Okay. And do you wake up early usually?
No.
Uh-huh.
Usually I'll wake up late,
How late is it?
like 10:30, 11.
All right. And do you have like a morning routine? What do you do when you wake up first in morning?
Like regular stuff. After that, I went to the office. I go to the office. No, my
Right,
shift
right.
is
Okay.
start from 12 to 9.
Okay.
So
And you're
that's why.
traveling to office or is it work from home?
No, traveling to office.
All right. So you must travel to you must be ready to travel to office after the session.
Yeah.
All right. So pretty hectic day.
So yeah, you remember me? I took a
Oh, of course.
demo class with you.
Oh, yes, yes, I absolutely remember you.
Yeah,
Right.
it took me 2 days to decide.
All right. No, no, it's fine. I mean, it's important to take some time to, make a decision. So it's great.
Yeah,
So is this your first session after the demo?
yeah. It is my first session.
All right. So officially welcome to Clappingo.
Thank you.
Right. So we have a very exciting topic for the day, which is
Yeah,
traveling.
yeah,
Did you go through the session document?
yeah. I went through that.
All right. So do you like traveling?
Yeah, I like, but I didn't travel too much.
Okay. So you will say, instead of saying I like, you will say I do.
I
Okay.
do. Okay,
That's the short form because I asked you, do you like traveling? So you can say I do. Now, instead of saying, but I didn't travel, you can say, but I haven't traveled a lot.
okay,
Okay. Haven't is like you're establishing generally that I haven't been able to travel a lot.
okay.
All right. So, do you want to repeat the sentence just for like a quick practice?
Yeah,
Okay. So, do you like traveling?
I do.
Uh huh. But you haven't traveled a lot.
Yeah, but I haven't traveled a lot.
Okay, so are there places that you've been to around? Like I haven't traveled either, but I actually at least had the opportunity to go to Amritsar once. So have you traveled
Yeah.
anywhere like that?
No, Shirdi temples. Shirdi temple I went,
All
and
right.
Balaji, Tirupati Balaji I went.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So
In
more
Ratnagiri part,
religious
Nani is
places.
there. Yeah, religious places with the family, no?
Right. So for family traveling is only traveling to religious places.
Yeah. But I'm planning to go solo traveling for in next
Ooh.
year, by next year, yeah.
Uh-huh. Next year is about to reach. We're only like a couple of days away from next year.
Like, yeah, coming years, like
Yes. All
next
right.
1 or 2
So
years.
why do you want to go for solo traveling and not with a group?
No, because I want the experience of solo traveling. I want to like hitchhiking, all the things I want to do. So that's why that's the experience I want.
Uh-huh. So,
Because I saw
mhm.
so many videos of the travelers, so it is
Right,
fascinating, no?
right. It is very fascinating. That's true. Um, Before we move ahead on the topic, in a sentence, you said that I want to hitchhiking. The correct would be
Yeah.
I want to hitchhike,
Okay. Yeah.
right? It's like I want to dancing. You will say I want to dance, right?
Yeah.
So it will be I want to hitchhike.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes what happened, like I speak that sentence. I spoke that sentence. After that, I realized I made a mistake on the like this type of mistake I made.
Or so just pause after you complete the sentence. I'll give you a minute, and you can say there was one thing that I said wrong, and complete it.
Okay.
Okay, like correct it.
Okay.
It's okay. You can say, let me paraphrase.
Okay.
Okay, and then correct it. Because that way also you'll remember the mistakes and the corrected part.
Yeah.
Right?
I
Okay.
will do that.
So particularly speaking about hitchhiking, I think hitchhiking is a very it has kind of a gender bias. Like if I go solo traveling, I as a woman will not hitchhike because it might not be safe for me. Right?
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
No, it is safe. it depends on the, like, you also you don't ask anybody, no. So you need to
Right, right.
be like analyze the things that time.
You can say
What is the
you need to
situation?
be
What is the time?
observant.
Yeah,
Observant.
observant. Yeah. So
Right.
like I need to ask the person, is person is okay or not. You like you identify the like seeing that person. No.
Uh-huh. What if the person's a serial killer?
Yeah.
Serial
No,
killers are
no.
pretty decent looking people in actual life.
No, but like how many like so many videos I saw, no. So
Uh-huh.
like there is one girl is there, the
Right.
wonder artist. She
Okay.
traveling. She is doing traveling for since
She's
2 years
traveling.
or 3 years. Yeah, she's traveling since 2 3 years. So
Hmm.
it's okay. It is safe.
Right. You learn things with experience.
Yeah,
Right. And
we
solo yes, yes, please. Sorry, continue.
yeah we can't say it is not safe. I don't want to go out because of the no safe place is there. So
Uh-huh.
if I am also in my room, so I am also
Right.
not safe. No, right now.
Right. Right. Nobody's safe anywhere.
Yeah, that's the point.
Absolutely. So, talking about solo traveling, I definitely understand when you say that, it's very fascinating and exciting because one of my friends recently went solo traveling to Missouri.
Okay,
So,
Masuri.
yes. So, where would you like to solo travel to? Do you have any place
Uh,
in mind?
no place. I don't have any place, but I just want to do like so many travelers have the dream to go Ladakh
Go
and
to
the
Ladakh.
Ladakh, huh? Yeah,
Right, right.
and the Kedarnath part. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, 2 3
Right,
places
right.
I have in my mind, but I
All right.
didn't decided. Haven't
But
decided.
yes, yes, correct. See, that's good. Correct yourself. Right.
Yeah,
So, but okay, so your options are like you'd like to go to Ladakh or Kedarnath. So,
yeah,
are you fond of hiking, climbing, and mountains? Is that something you're interested in?
yeah, yeah. I'm interested in that. That's
Yeah,
why
I
I
could
want to.
see a pattern.
Yeah,
Right.
that's the reason. No, and like I'm not the like extrovert person.
All
So
right.
yeah, I thought solo traveling is good for
The
me.
best.
Yeah,
Right. It'll work the best for you.
yeah,
So,
work best for me, and I gained so a lot of experience. I thought that is
absolutely.
reason.
Absolutely. It's a unique experience in itself.
Yeah,
Right.
I
So
know
what are
it is not easy. It is not easy, but
Mhm.
I like to do that.
Oh, no, no. I feel like it's easy if you're somebody who enjoys their own company and
Hmm.
is an explorer, then it's I think it's pretty good for you in general,
Yeah, but
right?
I like that, but I haven't know. So if I post any video or any status on WhatsApp, no.
Social
So
media. Yeah.
lot of my friend ask me, you don't go anywhere and you are posting this this content,
Right.
this kind of content. So why
Uh-huh.
why is it so?
Right. You don't go anywhere with us. They'll start complaining,
Yeah.
right? That can be a problem. But then don't post content, hide it from your friends.
No, no, no.
Use that
I'm
feature.
not afraid of, yeah, I'm not afraid of those things.
No, no, definitely. I understand. So, what are your travel essentials? Suppose you're going to Ladakh tomorrow. Okay, it's a very sudden plan, and you've got an
Okay,
extended weekend of 5 holidays, and you have to go to Ladakh. So, how will you pack? What will be your travel essentials? What all will you do quickly?
like first of all, phone, mobile,
Right,
charger,
right.
headphone, yeah,
Okay.
and essential like clothes.
How many?
Yeah, for the 1 week, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 5 t-shirts, 2 3 pants, and
Uh-huh.
yeah, track pant or this. Yeah, enough for me, and some
Right.
money.
Right. Okay. Are you somebody who believes in carrying a lot of cash when you're traveling?
No, like I don't want. I like. In these days we are not using cash. No, we are using online.
Digital money.
Yeah, but whenever you you are planning to go out, no, so some money you need to have in cash, because
Yeah,
in some places are there, our net is not working, or if
absolutely.
that this kind of situation is happen, so we
Mhm.
don't have any chance then,
Yes,
options.
yes.
So
We shouldn't take any risk.
yeah,
Right. Plus, I feel there are still a lot of places, especially remote areas, which don't use digital money as much as we do in the
yeah,
city.
yeah,
Right. Right. Okay. Another thing before we move ahead, in a sentence, you said in the week, for the week, right?
yeah,
For the 1 week.
for 1 week, yeah,
So you should have inserted for 1 week. We don't use
for
the
1 week,
because the is when we're talking about something specific.
yeah,
Okay. Very
the Taj
specific.
Mahal.
Right. Or the trip,
The
right? We're
trip,
talking about
okay,
one trip in mind. Okay,
okay,
suppose remember the trip to Balaji, Tirumali Balaji. So it's
Tirupati, Tirupati,
Tirupati Balaji. I'm sorry. It's one trip, one specific thing that we're talking about. That is when we use the. Okay.
okay.
Another
Whenever we
example.
are using special one thing, we want to
Yes,
specify one thing, so that time we use.
exactly. Especially
Okay,
specify one thing. For example, there is ice cream in fridge. Okay,
yeah,
we don't know which ice cream. There's just some ice cream. There's the ice cream. The ice cream is in the fridge. Because we're probably talking about one ice cream that we both know about. Probably the choco
yeah,
chip ice cream that's left from last night. Okay.
okay,
So that is how the is used.
okay.
Okay. So what do you think will be difficulties that you personally will face when you're traveling solo?
No, that the experience I want. No, I don't know
Let's just
exactly.
assume, right? Like for me, it could be that I might not want to talk to people a lot,
Okay.
even when it's required. I'd just try to figure out things on my own, which is difficult, when you're solo traveling.
Yeah,
So
it sometimes you need to ask. You need to be do that. It is necessary. No. So
yeah, you
I'm
need to be
like,
able to do
yeah,
that.
as like you told, no, I'm not like too much talkative person.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, but if necessary, I am ready to talk. Yeah,
All
I don't
right.
have a problem to talk with anybody, and with strangers I don't have any problem. But if I know
Yes,
that person, if he's not talking with me, so I'm that
right.
some ego in my mind.
Right,
Ego
right.
is
I can
there.
understand. Right. I was in fact about to say that I feel that you might be a shy person, but
Yeah,
you probably will be very cool with strangers. Like you'll be a nice,
yeah,
well-spoken, sweet guy with them, right?
yeah,
You'd
yeah,
like
yeah.
talking to them.
And yeah, because of the those people, I'll be more free or more expressible.
Right,
So
right. Expressive.
expressive. Okay,
Yes. Right.
I said
Definitely.
expressible.
Yes, expressible is not a word, expressive is.
Okay,
Okay, you want to say that I will be more expressive with them.
yeah, they
Right.
give that opportunity or that freedom. So that's why.
Freedom, that's
Yeah,
the word. Right.
whenever
Because
you are
there's
talking with, yeah,
Mhm,
whenever you're talking with the known person, no, you
mhm.
know that person, so that time you think I don't need to make a mistake, so he
Right,
will
right,
judge me. Oh, so that's the
right,
thing.
right.
With
Judgment and
strangers,
all.
that is not there. That is
Right.
not it there
That is not with them.
with them. Okay.
Right. And there's also, a sense of anonymity. Do you understand anonymity?
No, ma'am.
Anonymity is when you don't know something. Have you heard the word that this article is submitted by anonymous? Have you heard the
Anonymous,
word?
I heard.
Yes.
Anonymous, I heard.
So verb for anonymous is anonymity. It's an adjective. Okay.
Okay.
Anonymity, MITY. That's the end of it. Anonymity is the feeling of not knowing something or not knowing somebody. So with a stranger, there's a sense of anonymity, right?
Okay.
You will never meet them again, probably,
Okay.
and they don't know
Hmm.
you from anywhere.
Yeah.
So that's called anonymity.
Okay, you don't know and you not going to meet again.
I mean, not necessarily, but anonymity just means you don't know somebody.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
When there's anonymity, there's freedom, because that person will not judge you. Nobody knows anything
yeah,
about each other, right?
okay. Instead of freedom, we also use that anonymity
They're
sometimes.
both different things. They're both different things.
Okay,
Uh, I'm just linking them, that when there's anonymity, there's also freedom in a certain way.
okay,
They're not
okay.
synonyms. There's just a link between them. Like you said, you don't know them, they won't judge you, so there's freedom.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right. So, have you heard
Okay.
of the word solitude?
Solitude. I heard, but
I
I
have heard.
don't know the meaning. I have
I,
heard.
right. So,
Yeah.
this is how you respond in one word. Remember, in the beginning, we said, do you travel? So you said, do you like traveling? You said, I like. Instead, you will say, I do. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, if I ask, have you heard the word solitude? You will say, I have. Right.
Okay. I
So
have.
time's
I
gonna
heard.
get over. I'll quickly tell you what solitude is. Solitude is being alone, and somebody likes to be alone. Somebody likes their
Okay.
solitude. That is
Yeah.
solitude.
I'm
So when
that
you
person.
so when you go solo traveling, you seek solitude.
Okay.
Okay, being alone on your own in a nice way.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right
Yeah.
then. So this was your first session. We've reached the end of it. Did you like it?
Yeah. 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 I liked it.
All right
And
then.
thank
Just
you for the correction.
Right.